This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Shannon Allen. Stunning coastal East Beach home built by LR Hill Custom Builders. This one-owner home is beautifully updated and offers an open floor plan. The first floor has a large family room with gas fireplace, a lovely kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, island and breakfast bar opening to a breakfast room. The first floor primary suite features vaulted ceilings, a gorgeous bath with walk-in shower and dual sinks, a spacious walk-in closet, and has views of the pretty backyard with French doors leading to the back porch. A half bath and laundry room complete the first floor. The sun-filled upstairs includes two spacious bedrooms, both the baths and walk-in closets. Located block to the beach, additional features include a one-car garage, driveway parking, charming backyard and porches. Located block to the beach and close to the community pool, clubhouse, and tennis and pickleball courts. Whole house generator, water heater, 2021, updated HVAC, and more. December 26, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Shannon Allen at 757-647-3126.